Imagine the Earth planet covered with cloud as a blanket. From the outside, they act like a shield, reflecting the sunlight back to the space and cooling our planet. From the inside, they become rain, feeding the life below. But wait, have you ever looked up the clouds and wondered, why does it rain some days but not others? Well, the answer began with those tiny particles suspended in the atmosphere called aerosols. They come from the ocean, the wildfire, dust, and yes, from human pollutions. Clouds are made of tiny water droplets, but droplet doesn't grow on its own. You need the surface to cling on. That's where aerosols come in. They are like the seed for the clouds. Here's the catch. If you have more aerosols, mean more clouds, but small in size, so they can grow and become rain. But if you have a few aerosols, they have room, they can grow larger and become rain. Even though we know that aerosols numbers are important, we still don't fully understand how those tiny particles impact our bigger weather when the turbulence is in the environment. By turbulence, I mean constantly mixing. So in my research, I tried to understand how aerosols in different size impact the cloud when there's a turbulence and pollutions. So I used the cloud chamber, which is a cylinder in 1 meter high, where I can control what is the turbulence inside and what type of aerosol I can inject. I also have a cloud model inside of that chamber where I can simulate what we see in the lab. By combining those two tools, I can understand how small aerosols and bigger aerosols have the same impact on the cloud when the turbulence is very high. But if the turbulence is smaller, then they have a different size. So my research will help those bigger climates to better predict when the environment is very polluted or less polluted. And also predict the weather well, so when you have the app in your weather forecast in your phone, you can know where the weather is okay or not. So next time you see the cloud, remember there's a hidden drama inside. Tiny particle predicting where the sun reflects back or clouds become rain. Thank you.